What's up, doggy? What's up? Someone at the door?
Hi! What's up, baby? Really? Is that so? Really? Come on, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Maggie, come on. You can get her. Come on. Come on, dog.
It's okay.
You can get off the chair. Come here. Come here. Psycho. Hey. Hi. Yes, come on. Hi, Bailey.
Oh.
Two dogs. Hi. Hi. Come here.
Yeah, that was a mistake, huh?
Hi. Jesus Christ. Hi, Psycho. Psycho. You happy I'm home? You've just been sitting on the chair while I've been gone? Has she just been sitting here?
Most of the time.
I'm right here. I'm home. I'm not at the hospital anymore. Man, I really do need to train you to be a therapy dog.
You okay, Maggie? You okay? You happy? Oh.
Easy, easy. You're gonna
Oh.
that shoulder.
Yes.
She's very hard to get on film. She's so crazy. And then there's this little psychopath.
Okay, take this one.
Hi, Bailey. Easy. Easy. Hi.
Old honker.
Oh,